Hi everyone, welcome to episode 20. Today we're going to do shrimp with warm mushroom salad. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is get the shrimp marinating. So what I have here is 6 jumbo shrimp, and I'm going to place those into a baggie. Okay, and then what I have here is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. And we'll stir all that up. And then we're going to pour that into the bag. Close that up. Okay, and then we're going to put that in the refrigerator and let that marinate for an hour. We have a pan on medium-high heated up, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. I'm using Bella mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushrooms that you'd like. And just put that into the butter. And then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Put that in. And then you're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. As the mushrooms are cooking, I've put a tablespoon of grass-fed butter into another frying pan. And I took out our shrimp that's been marinating for an hour now. And we're going to put that in the pan. And let those saute. Mushrooms have cooked down for 5 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1/4 cup of walnuts. And we're going to let those heat up for about 2 more minutes. Okay, the mushrooms and the walnuts are done. Shrimp is almost done. So I'm going to take 2 cups of baby arugula, put that in the pan. Take the mushroom and the walnut mixture. And then toss the salad. So pretty much this is your dressing for the salad. And that butter and the olive oil is what's coating the arugula. We get our plate. And our shrimp is now done. Let's get our shrimp. And there is our shrimp salad with warm mushroom salad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.